I'm Fernanda. We are here in the last event of Greenedge project. I'm very happy that with the work that I have done so far. Working with this part of sustainability, trying to reduce the energy consumption, make me very happy because I'm seeing the other side of this machine learning stuff. Yeah, so thank you all for everything.
It's great to be here in Croatia for the final event of the Greenedge project and to see the maturity level, the scientific maturity level that our students have achieved during this year.
What I liked most about this Marie Curie project was that the fact that it was about the environment and sustainability. What I personally did in my research was reducing the carbon footprint of machine learning algorithms. And that for me is a strong aspect that because I care a lot about the earth and the environment. So putting everything that I care about in my research is actually a very good point of my PhD.
So within Greenedge Marie Curie project, we had the opportunity having 6 training schools where we learned both soft skills and both state-of-art research about edge computing, about sustainability, and it gave us the opportunity to practice in poster sessions, which gave me experience later on when I presented in conferences.
I'm working on continual learning, in particular for a real case scenario, the IoT scenario. And what I can say is that even if at the beginning I studied a lot and what to do, there were a lot of things that I could do. Well, now I know where to study, what to study, and I hope that at the end everything will reach the solution and the results that I wanted.
In Greenedge, we decided to design the dissemination activity around the students. We actually involved them directly in our social medias, LinkedIn and YouTube channels, where we upload the videos of their activities made by professional people, but also made by themselves. So they are now able to disseminate their activities in a more fluent fashion and also to the general public.
To me, Greenedge represents a unique opportunity for innovation, collaboration and friendship. It was a unique chance to work with 15 different PhD students all over Europe. We shared our life experiences and future goals in addition to our collaborations, and it helps us to enrich our vision as well as our knowledge.
From the research perspective in this project, I believe we have set some important milestones for the efficiency and sustainability of learning system and edge computing system. In particular, we have identified which are the leakage of this technology, and we have proposed some optimization to achieve higher efficiency in such system. And we, depending on the scenario, we can achieve roughly 30–40% decrease in the energy consumption, which is a great achievement for this as a starting point for making this system more sustainable.
So at this moment, I haven't fully decided to go full on academia, but one of the things in my mind is to come up with my own custom designed nodes and patent them. And this is my primary target so far. And for the future goals, maybe I will establish my own company.
So I got the chance to do a secondment at Cornell University for 4 months and a half. And this has been, this gave a very positive impact to my PhD. Problem I was stuck on got solved thanks to that, and discovered new problems that I further studied throughout my PhD. I'm really grateful for that opportunity.
As for myself, this project has taught me to manage a very large and complex consortium of partners both from the academia and the industry in order to achieve a common goal, which is in this case related to the sustainability of ICT system. and also the wonderful consortium that we have created. I'm sure it will last for the future, and we will manage to collaborate in future projects as well.
I am very happy to be in part of the Greenedge project, because with growing the IoT systems and the artificial intelligence, we should also considering the impact of it on the environment. So this is us.
20 years from now, I don't know exactly where I'm going to be, but 3 years ago from now, I was expecting to learn a lot, which I actually do. I'm extremely happy of what I got, technically speaking and also personally speaking. I grew up with the people in this project. I learned a lot about networking and also the technical stuff I really wanted to get from Greenedge. I'm extremely happy I'm contributing to the results of the project, but this project contributed to my life as well. So I think I'm better than 3 years ago on that.
So Greenedge, it's been an incredible opportunity for me because it allowed me to introduce myself into the research area. And I did it together with the very relevant professionals and in a very international environment. So this allowed me to develop a lot of skills that I feel are going to be very helpful in the future. So I'm very grateful about this entire process.
Hello everyone, I'm Marcello. I've been working for Greenedge for 3 years, and I think Greenedge is an amazing project on so many levels. Starting from the goal of the project, since sustainability is so important nowadays. And I had the chance to attend incredible meetings, to meet talented people. And also I think one really good thing about Greenedge is that we are all working together and we are sharing the same goals, at the same time the same problems.
So I would recommend anyone to follow to apply to a Marie Curie scholarship, because it provides great opportunities, not only in terms of scientific and work environment growth, but also a personal growth, because you surround yourself by wonderful people, both in the technical level, great researchers, but also at the personal level, great people who are always willing to help you and who provide enormous opportunities to learn and grow. And I think that is invaluable.
So Greenedge has taught us many things, and one important thing is the way to see how sustainability in the future will be considered, how to be green in the wide, holistic way. And also Greenedge has created a new generation of future scientists who will think and in terms of sustainability. This has not happened before. Now we have these young future scientists which can think green, can think in terms of sustainability system. This is something very important from this project.